So the thing that we are going to be doing today is, can't use that word, sacrificing Big Bird many times. Before we sacrifice Big Bird, I would love to ask you to turn on notifications, sub, like, view this video, and I guess let's start sacrificing Big Bird. See what happens. Big Bird needs the fan. One like equals one Big Bird saved. Let's go. Okay, let's try that again. Die, Big Bird! Now that was worth it. Yep, he's dead. So, if you can see me, today we will see how good does Big Bird make as a ball. So what I'm gonna do is get one of these clap up under, and see what happens when I hit Big Bird. Are you ready, Big Bird? I think he's ready. Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now that, some epic stuff. Next, we're going to see if Big Bird knows how to fly. Now, of course he does, but I just want to show you because he brags about how much he's a good flyer, but pretty okay. He's like a debris in Hurricane Katrina. So, this is Big Bird flying. I didn't touch him. He's dead. Time to kill Big Bird with some animals. Okay. So today Big Bird's going to be meeting a few of my other toys. The first one is the spider. You know, Big Bird hates spiders. It's not going to work. Next animal. The next thing Big Bird is afraid of is snakes. I mean, who is it? Reptilian owners. And oh my gosh, what the flip happened? Oh fudge. He was poisoned. Dang it. So, Big Bird hates snakes. See what happens. Wait a second. Wait a second. If you're not going to do anything, then Big Bird, I'm sorry, but I'm have to kill you. Next one. So the next one would probably totally be Big Bird's greatest fear. Petrodons or Pteranodons or Adonodons or Madonna. So Big Bird's absolutely afraid of these things. I mean, who wouldn't? Probably can't see my face, and now I just recognize it. You probably haven't been able to see it the whole entire time, so I'm just gonna have to cry. So Big Bird, let's see what they do. Will Big Bird scream? I already know what they're gonna do. Stay there still. It's the freaking toys. Next sacrifice. Okay, guys, so you can. Oh, okay, can you guys see Big Bird? I'm trying to adjust the camera while it's on. Probably. Sorry if I'm bothering you, but this is my video, so I can do whatever I want. So I have too many baby toys. It's time to get out one of my big boy toys. And I'm gonna kill you, Big Bird. Kill you. I'm not gonna kill him. Just gonna play around with them. I don't really mean that. Yeah, forgot my big boy toy hasn't been active. You know what? It won't be like that. Big Bird right by you. Now that's how you kill Big Bird. So I have one more thing. The ultimate Big Bird death. The grand finale, basically. Adjusting the camera. It's on. So, you ready? Ring. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shout out with me. Die, Big Bird! was a 3 shot.